Hey there, beautiful people. It's your girl Sarah, back again on Healthy Hair 101. Today, we're diving deep into the world of DIY natural hair masks for ultimate moisture. So if you've been battling with dry, brittle hair, or you just want to give your locks some extra love, then you're in the right place. Imagine your hair as a garden. Just like plants need water to thrive, your hair needs moisture to stay healthy and vibrant. But sometimes, due to harsh weather conditions, heat styling, or even just the daily grind, our hair can lose its moisture, leaving it dry and lifeless. That's where our DIY natural hair masks come in. They're like a refreshing rain shower for your hair garden, replenishing the moisture and bringing your hair back to life. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of these hair masks. Picture your favorite smoothie. It's a blend of different ingredients, each with its own unique benefits, right? Well, our hair masks are kind of like that. They're a mix of natural ingredients, each with its own hair-loving properties. For instance, honey is like the sweet nectar of hair care. It's a natural humectant, which means it attracts and locks in moisture. It's like a sponge, soaking up all the moisture and keeping it in your hair. Then we have avocado, the creamy green fruit that's not just for your toast. It's packed with healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and moisturize your hair. It's like a superfood for your hair, feeding it all the good stuff it needs to stay healthy and shiny. And let's not forget about coconut oil. This is like the holy grail of hair care. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense moisture and strengthening your hair from within. It's like a protective shield, guarding your hair against damage and dryness. Now, making these masks is as easy as making your morning smoothie. You just blend all the ingredients together until you get a smooth, creamy mixture. Then apply it to your hair, making sure to cover every strand. It's like painting a masterpiece, but your hair is the canvas. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse it off. It's like a mini spa session for your hair, right in the comfort of your own home. So there you have it, folks. DIY natural hair masks for ultimate moisture. They're like a tall glass of water for your thirsty hair, quenching its thirst and leaving it soft, shiny, and healthy. Before I sign off, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Hair 101 for more hair care tips and tricks. Remember, your hair is your crown, so let's keep it healthy and beautiful. Until next time, stay fabulous.